Hello everyone, my name is Viviana Cuestas. This is the script for the post-tax video presentation. Well, the topics of the lesson are traveling the world, shared spaces, our economic life. The objectives to identify and compare some causes that led to the different historical periods in Colombia, to recognize the different uses given to the land and the natural resources in my environment, to identify organization that meet basic needs in my community and others. Introduction. This lesson plan is designed for students of the 5th course where the students will be able to learn about traveling the world, shared spaces, our economic life through different learning strategies. They will be able to develop different competences and more. Lesson descriptions. Warming up. Game in Kahoot, where the students play a game about a topic and they can recognize and review the vocabulary. Developing activities. I designed a PPT presentation where I will share some slides with image of the topic, explanation, and some activities. Each student will read aloud some paragraphs of the topic and then they will answer about the topic. They will make concept maps with the main topics. They will be able to share their conclusions about the topic throughout the socialize in the classroom. Assessment. In groups, the students will share their concept maps like an exposition in class, and their classmates will make some questions and they will have to answer. The assessment is taken in account in their participation of the activities, and the students have to answer the next questions with the help of their student's book. Do you know how were the first groups that exist in our country like before the arrival of the Spaniards? Do you know why it's important for humans to represent the world around us? Do you know how is today's world organized? Conclusions. With this lesson plan, students will be able to learn even more about the social science through daily social and economic issues of importance for the development of their learning and individuals in a society to which they can give back knowledge. Closing. The teaching of our culture, heritage, and evolution as a society is of a great importance, as it is very important that students acquire this knowledge from an early age and develop critical thoughts that can be strengthened through research within the classroom and the environment that surrounds achieving a positive impact on society. Thank you so much for your attention.